How to make money for yourself on Advisor 8 platform. First, you need to be an accountant/CPA/chartered accountant/bookkeeper/pro advisor to provide services, and register yourself in QuickBooks Online, or Xero, or FreshBooks accounting systems. Contact us if you are outside of the USA. Find the contact form on our website, www.advisor8.com. Make sure to provide your email address. Create an account in QuickBooks Online, Accountant version, which is free for US residents. After login, click on the apps icon on the left menu and search for Advisor 8 app. Sign up for Advisor 8 platform through QuickBooks Online. Invite team members to join your organization. Grant network access to your team members who are going to get certification to provide services to other accountants and SMBs. Network is like LinkedIn for accountants. Each member can get up to 99 connections. So market yourself by providing helpful content to others, and offer free or paid training sessions of the Advisor 8 apps. Apply for service requests when other accountants post specific job requests. How to be a millionaire. Advisor 8 offers a program called Earn Points, Win Big, which offers $1 million worth of first prize, Advisor 8 stock options for the top winner. Advertise yourself, team, with your referral code and earn points. Please read terms for further details. Advisor 8, Earth's #1 accountants networking platform and apps ecosystem.